Hi Internet! We're gonna put a fuel cell in the car today. Hopefully. Gotta figure out exactly where we're mounting it.
How we're mounting it, what we're doing.
Lane's better at welding than me, so he has to do it because it has to look good.
Yeah, this will be fun.
We're waiting for a fuel pump to show up, but we need fuel to make engine run, so that's important today. So apparently we're having a hard time getting steel today because the steel place is being shitty. So the engine's in its home. Shouldn't have to come back out.
I think we're going to bring something out today and start mocking it in.
You can
figuring out where we're running shit and where we're going to mount it.
You can talk about it when we bring it outside then, after we have lunch. Because, yeah, no fuel cell today because we're not using the shitty metal that the guy gave us, so.
Thanks for nothing, guy.
Cheap fuel cell.
Only when you have super cheats. Alright, so since we can't get metal because metal supermarkets sucks, we got the engine in, put the intake on, and we're gonna work on starting to run wires and figure out where we're gonna mount the Holley. So exciting stuff.
We're reading the instructions. Kind of. We're looking at the pictures, that's for sure.
Oil pressure, some. Yeah, so I have the oil pressure sensors of a unique pin cannot be used.
Hi. That's good. That's how you stay safe.
Good temperature sensor, wide balance, and fuel pressure, and optional. Manifold, connect to the map sensor located on the intake. It might be because this is supposed to be drive-by-wire. We might need to go try and find from the junkyard.
From the same truck. The same truck that we stole that throttle body from. That's why we gotta go back. That makes sense.
Okay, because that should go right there.
Yeah.
Okay. We have the map sensor put in.
Whoa! Is that your lightsaber?
Fuel injector. Happy now?
Apparently, Amazon doesn't say things have shipped, so my birthday present / car stuff is here.
Yeah, hopefully.
Hopefully. It's either that or it's stuff to make candles.
Velvet hangers.
What? I don't think this is my package. Oh, it's for Justin. Oh, well, it's not even for me. Just a recap of the day. Didn't do fuel cell. Put the engine in. Wired it up. And Lane is currently...
That's all plugged in now.
plugged in.
This will be rad. Here, come.
And all the way back.
Did we get rid of them trim pieces for here?
I don't think so. Maybe.
They might be ugly, but...
They might be there, they might not be existent at all.
If they are...
We will definitely use them. We can just plain in black.
So it's in. It's like... it should be...
Holley's right there. Shout out Holley. Making this a simple
Super
kit.
simple kit. Just like 100% just plug and play. No fucking around. We do have to get the right manifold air temp sensor because I think there must be an updated one for this year of truck.
For our plug. It's
for
different.
our plug because this engine should be a drive-by-wire engine. So there was a couple little sensors I think that are different, but that goes there when we get the right one.
Yep. Can't believe how unbelievably easy this Holley kit is.
Yeah.
Till we start tuning.
Super simple. Even that will be like pretty easy because it's self-learning, so we can put it on self-learn and then just kind of adjust. And
At that point, it'll be, there's no power adders or anything like that,
Yeah.
so it won't be so bad.
really good learning curve.
Yeah.
We need fuel system. We got our fuel pump.
Spin the coin.
Got a Bosch 044 pump, which is apparently a really, really good pump. So we gotta run that. We gotta run fuel lines. We gotta get steel.
Yeah, we're gonna rebuild the container, the cell container, I guess.
Fuel cell.
Just to be more safe. So the other one was pretty gross. So
Get a windshield one day.
yeah,
And it's running.
yeah. But we're getting really, really close. Like unbelievably close right now. Gonna get some angle iron to build a battery box, and then proper tie downs for it, and some brake line. Because as important as brakes are for pussies, but
We do need them.
we kind of need them. So we're getting close. We're getting close, so close. All right, love you. Bye.